Today we're doing lesson 54. It's reducing by grouping factors equal to 1 and dividing fractions. The factors in the problem below are arranged in order from least to greatest. Notice that some factors appear in both the dividend and the divisor. We are going to be looking and trying to work with canceling today and reviewing that portion of what we did with our math book. Remember that when you cancel, it equals 1. So in this example, we can get rid of anything that match and equal a total of 1. So 2 and 2 equal 1. 2 and 2 equal 1. 3 and 3 equal 1. And 5 stands alone because there's nothing else that matches with that. As you see, this portion drawn out, 2 over 2 equals 1, 2 over 2 equals 1, 3 over 3 equals 1, and 5 stands alone. This means 1 times 1 times 1 times 5 equals 5. 2, this is 1 times 1 times 1 equals 1, totaling 5. Let's practice on example 1. We are going to reduce this fraction by crossing out the numbers that can equal 1. We see that 2 and 2 equal 1. 2, 2 equal 1. 5 and 5 equal 1. But we have left over 1 times 1 times 2 times 1 equals 2. 1 times 1 times 3 times 1 equals 3. Our answer is 2/3. Looking at example 2, we're going to talk about and remember how to divide fractions. We see how many 1/2 are in 3/4. If you think of this, how many 5s are in 10? We can remember that how many 5s are in 10 it's like a division problem. So we would say 10 divided by 5. Looking at how many 1/2 are in 3/4, we set it up the same way. 3/4 divided by 1/2. Now remember, when you're dividing fractions, you leave it, times it, flip it. So we'll rewrite it 3/4 times, we'll write it 3/4 times 2 over 1. 3 times 2 equals 6. 4 times 1 equals 4. We can't leave this problem as an improper fraction, so we will divide. 4 goes into 6 one time with a remainder of 2 over 4, and we reduce it 1 and 1/2. We can take 2 out of 2 and 2 out of 4 to equal 1 and 1/2. If we wanted to try and make this easier, we could cancel. Looking at 3 and 1, this stays just like this. Now we can do 4, we can cancel 4 and 2. 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 4 twice. 3 times 1 is 3. 2 times 1 is 2. Changing it from an improper fraction, it's 1 and 1/2. Let's try this problem, example 3, doing this again. If you again think of how many 5s are in 10, 5s are in 10, it can help you think about how you're going to set this problem up. Thinking that 10 is the dividend, right? And 5s, and the 5 is the divisor. So we do 1/2 divided by 3/4. And again, we leave it, times it, flip it. 1/2 times 4 over 3. This time, let's just cross out and cancel and skip the other step that we did on example number 2. 2 goes into 2 once, 4 goes into, or 2 goes into 4 twice, and 1 and 3, you can't cancel those, they don't have a common factor. So we do 1 times 2 and it equals 2, and we do 1 times 3 and it equals 3. Our answer is 2/3. Looking at the practice set problems, for A, you should cancel and find which ones equal 1 together. For B, you're doing that same thing. And for C and D, think again, how many 5s are in 10 to help you figure out the dividend and divisor and how to solve these problems. And don't forget, leave it, times it, flip it.